This project aims to facilitate understanding of Git commit concepts through hands-on command exploration, helping users visualize commit structures. The motivation behind this project arose from the realization that key Git operations depend on a clear understanding of commits and their structure, which the project seeks to clarify through experimentation. Key takeaways include that a commit represents a full repository snapshot. Commits are structured in a directed acyclic graph, and branches serve as movable pointers to commits. Core concepts of Git commits are elaborated, emphasizing the importance of definitions and mental models in understanding commits. A commit is defined as an immutable object that provides a snapshot of the repository at a specific time, accompanied by metadata and references. The essential properties of a Git commit include a complete snapshot, a unique SHA-1 hash, author information, committer details, a timestamp, and a message, along with references to parent commits. Commits are organized in a directed acyclic graph, DAG, that enables branching and merging, preventing any cycles in the history. While Git shows a linear history of commits, the actual structure is a DAG, allowing for more complex project histories. Visualizing commits involves representing repository states as connected nodes, indicating how changes branch and integrate over time. The mental model of a commit is visualized as a graph node that connects snapshots of project states, clarifying the relationship of commits within project history. Usage instructions for examining commit properties and history using Git commands, including how to visualize the commit graph. Examples are provided using a real repository to demonstrate commit concepts through visual branching representation. Creating multiple commits in a branching scenario illustrates how a DAG of commits can be developed through concurrent updates. Commit history can also be viewed in a list format, showcasing the same commits with a different perspective. Examining commits involves displaying their properties, including hash, author, date, and associated messages, often represented through visuals. References for further reading on Git commit documentation are provided, highlighting external resources to deepen understanding.